Hi, my name is Vimal Maniam, and I'm here to talk about cultural hybridity, determining the identity of Malaysian youths. Before I go in detail into my speech, I would like to give you a sneak preview. What's cultural hybridity? I'm pretty sure most of you guys would be wondering. Hybridity? Seriously? I know hybrid cars! Anyways, hybrid is a cross between two separate races or cultures. A hybrid is something that is mixed, and a hybridity is a simple mixture. And what does this have to do with youths? Yes, youths. Who are youths? Generally, youths refers to a time of life that's neither childhood nor adulthood, rather somewhere in between. We carry a wild range of different and at times conflicting identities around with us, in our heads, at the same time. There is a continuous merging of personate lifestyle depending on where we are and the spaces we are moving into. Therefore, moving along with the cultural hybridity, especially being a nation with a mixed culture, it is so important in determining the future of the upcoming generation. Why do some choose to change their name to fit into the dominant culture? What are the causes? Why do some people assimilate to the point of losing connection to their family's origin within as few as 3 generations? This is where we need to make a change.